Student, how are you? I hope all are well. Alhamdulillah, I am well by the grace of Almighty Allah. The student again come back with you another class. Today is presented by this is Zakaria Mahmood, assistant teacher, Churudamai High School, Jhuri Molobi Bazar. Dear student, today I will discuss English first paper class 8. Please you take your textbook and take your notebook and pen and sit in front of me. Dear student, started my class. I will show you some picture. Please you attentively show my all picture. First picture, we see here first picture, quotidian. This is a designing quotidian. Do you know? You think now alone designing quotidian, what we see and what we call this designing quotidian. And here we see some thread coloring, some thread, and here I see some needle, and another picture we see some women worker, her hand or cloth and thread, needle working, designing, doing design cloth. And another picture we see here one embroidery bed sheet. So you now think today's lessons topic, what is my today's lesson topics? Maybe you finding today's lessons topic. Okay, no problem, I can help you. You see here, dear student, today's topic is Unit 1, Lesson 2, Nokshi Khata. This class specially for the class 8 student. Dear student, at first we see here some keyword, new keyword. First keyword, artistic. This is type of adjective and Bangla meaning shoilpik. This is a English another meaning word, creative. Okay, and making sentence, Nokshi Khata is made with artistic design. Okay, another word, this is a means kata, left. When we want cold season, this our body saving, this name is coital. This is a type of noun. And another word meaning, English word meaning, coverlate. Okay, make a sentence, Nokshi Khata is a kind of embroidery coital. The student, next word, commercial. This word type of adverb. This Bangla meaning banijik bhabe and English meaning business. Making sentence, Nokshi Khata is made now commercially. The student, this is a last word, traditional. This is type of adjective and Bangla meaning oitijjo and English meaning old fashions or old style. Make word, Nokshi Khata is a kind of traditional craft. Dear student, maybe you understand all of what. Now we go read out this lesson. Please you open your textbook, page number 3, lesson 1, unit 2, Nokshi Khata. Okay, now I read out this passage. Nokshi Khata is a kind of embroidered quilt. The name was taken from a word noksha, which means artistic pattern. It is a kind of traditional craft and said to be indigenous of Bangladesh and West Bangla in India. The art has been practiced in rural Bangla for centuries. The name Nokshi Khata became popular after the poet Josimuddin's poem Nokshi Khatar Mart, published in 1929. Traditional nokshis are made for family use. Old or new cloth and threads are used to make these quilts. Mymensingh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogura and Jowshor are most famous for these crafts. Now it is product commercially. You can find them in many expensive handcrafts shop in cities. The quilts are now in great demand because of the colorful patterns and designs embroidery on them. The student, maybe you carefully listening this. We are now going next slide. Evolution. Choose the best answer. These MCQ, we know these MCQ. First question, the name Nokshi Khata was derived from the word English, Bangla, Hindi, Francis. Do you know correct answer? Okay, no problem, you think alone. B, second question, this art has been continuing for dash generation, centuries, years, age. Do you know correct answer? Okay, you think alone. C, 3 number question, the word indigenous refers to foreign, native, handmade, indigenous tribal. Do you know correct answer? Okay, no problem, dear student, I can help you. First question's answer, Bengali. Bengali means this Nokshi Khata is a Bengali. Okay, the first question's answer Bengali. Second, centuries. Third, native. Am I right? You compare with me. Okay, choose the best answer. Question number 4, Nokshi Khata becomes popular for its beauty, high price, advertisement, low price. Do you know correct answer? Okay, you see, I can help you. This is a beauty. And last question, it is made old or new cloth. These use all the above. Okay, I here give you correct answer, using. Okay, dear student, now you see another slide. Give short answer of the following question. Dear student, when we go exam, any exam, annual exam or half yearly exam, we see the 2 type of question, C comprehension from. So this is a type of second question. Give short answer of the following question. First question, what is Nakshikata? Do you know correct answer these questions answer? Okay, try to alone. Second, why are the traditional katas made? Do you know correct answer? Okay, try to alone. And 3 number question, what does Naksha means? Do you know correct answer? Okay, no problem. Dear student, I can help you. You compare with me first question's answer. What is Nakshikata? Answer, Nakshikata is a type of embroidered quilt. And second question, why are the traditional katas made? Yes, this answer, traditional katas are made for family use. Okay. And third number question, what does Nakshi means? This answer, Naksha means artistic pattern and design. Okay. Dear student, compare with me from your answer. Am I right? Okay, dear student, now we go next slide. Dear student, our education department already give us the assignment evaluation. Here we see these lesson related question HW is homework, and here already specific giving section D. Our books section D, what type of question we see now? Section D, write our books. Do you like a Nakshikata or an ordinary khata? Why? Policy apply, we write these questions answer. Yes, we see our textbook and I can help you here. You follow my questions answer. Dear student, I give you here some word writing here, some sentence writing here. Okay, you follow these. I like a Nakshikata more than an ordinary khata because a Nakshikata enhances the beauty of our house. On the other hand, it has a profound relationship with our life and culture. Dear student, maybe you understand all of my class. If you don't understand any lesson, any word, any sentence, any question, so you comment and you write me comment box or inbox. Maybe you understand, I believe, all of lesson, and you try to alone all of lesson your home. Dear student, no more today. Another class, another lesson, again I come with you. Bye bye.